Is your learning and development team overwhelmed with requests for programs? Are your leaders and teams not getting the support they need fast enough to manage today's complex work environment? Instead of spending weeks building training content, what if your trainers could skip straight to delivering world-class workshops with proven results? Let us get you on the fast track to delivering powerful learning programs by using our proven award-winning content that we've successfully delivered to major brands such as Allstate, Virgin America, Philips, the World Bank, and more. I'm Tara Powers, CEO of Powers Resource Center, and for the past 25 years, more than 85% of our clients come back to us again and again to help them build and manage learning programs that get outstanding results. With a background in instructional design and deep expertise in facilitation techniques, I've packaged up all my knowledge and award-winning content into several turnkey leadership and team workshops that you can purchase and use immediately. Each workshop includes everything your trainers and facilitators need to deliver proven programs that change behavior and up-level skills, including ready-to-go PowerPoint slides, participant workbooks, recommended agendas, facilitator guides with recommended activities, exercises, and training aids, participant pre- and post-surveys to measure results, coaching tip sheets for managers to support their learners throughout the process, and workshop messaging to use in internal marketing and share with learners. All materials are provided to you in PowerPoint and are 100% customizable and editable to add your own branding and additional content. Easily mix and match our workshops to create an unlimited number of training programs, ranging from short learning snacks to full-day sessions to an entire training series. If you're concerned that your learning and development team will see a wave of training requests this next quarter that you don't have the resources or bandwidth to design and develop, consider purchasing our award-winning workshops to save your team hundreds of hours of design time and place everything they need to deliver a top-notch program in their hands today. Request a call with us where we'll review the content and materials we have available for your learning and development professionals. We look forward to hearing from you.